Hey, Jonathan here with Anderson Construction. Big Brad's out, so I'm trying to run this here show. We got me, Jonathan. We got Alan over here. Take another look. Some people say it looks like the guy from The Intern. You guys should watch that. See if he looks like the guy from The Intern. You know what I mean? This is Pepe. So what we're going to do is we're going to try, we got a bowed stud here. You can just trust my arm, it's very level. So this is level, but the wall is, obviously you can see that it's not correct. So it's bowing out that way. What we're going to do is we're going to try and bring it in that way. There's a couple different ways to do it. A lot of guys would just kind of put a stud on a truck, just go ahead and shove it in there like that. We try and take things to the next level. So what we're going to do is secure this here ring on the stud, pull it that way by fastening onto something, and then once it's corrected, we've cut this relief cut to kind of help it bow in, and then once it's corrected, we've got this here steel plate that we got cut. We pre-drilled some holes. That's it. And then once it's corrected, we're going to put that up there, lag it in, bam, good to go.
Get right there.
Ready?
Yep, do it.
Whoa, guys. I don't think it's going to take much to correct the stud. It's going to be just fine.
When you have a hard problem on the job, you gotta try everything and just see what'll work.
Take this everything.
All right, that should hold it. Hey, no!
Time for something heavier. We're gonna try the ladder, stack some weight up on that, see if it doesn't move.
Whoa!
Whoa. Obviously what we're doing isn't strong enough, so we're gonna have to get a little more creative. Tile is fixed with thin set, essentially concrete. Concrete is strong. It'll hold the ratchet strap so we can ratchet it down, straighten the beam. Ready?
Ready?
Obviously that didn't work. This one's gonna be fixed better. Tell already. That's a good one right there. Ready, Alan?
Here we go!
So, Pepe actually had a good idea. If we just went straight through the window and attached it onto something else, like a tree, then we could probably stand here and crank it, pull that stud over, and hopefully everything lines up. All right? Check it out. Hold on a second, Alan. Directly inside of the bubble. That's how you do that. Go ahead and like our page. Boop. Subscribe. Boop. All that good stuff. Boop.